Alrighty, hey guys, Rise here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. So today we're going to be going over basic BMX maintenance tips and tricks, or not tricks, but tips. But yeah, so first thing I'm going to go over is WD-40. Okay, this is frequently used. I do not recommend it. Just don't use it for your bike. If you have it though, don't use it. Just buy some different like degreaser or I'm just going to set this aside. Oil. This is just a can of machine oil, maintenance oil. Also, another recommended thing, very recommended, the most recommended thing is all-purpose grease, which I do not have, but you like paint it on and it really helps your bike. But this helps too. So yeah. And then I have this. It's a crescent wrench, also known as a monkey wrench. One's just up, one's sideways. Same thing, literally the same tool. But yeah, and it just, all it does is it just closes and opens. Yeah, and then you'll most likely use I already have a loose bolt because I loosened it before this. But yeah, you'll just be tightening that. Okay, now another thing is a lot of people need, or for all BMX bikes, all bikes really, you're going to want a L wrench or hex wrench set, Allen key set, whatever you call it. Yeah, and it's just kind of Allen key. This way you can tighten things. This is how most of your parts of your bike are going to have to be tightened. Yeah. So. Another thing you may need is a bike pump, so yeah, it's pretty useful. Yeah, bike tire pump. Just pump tires with this thing. Yeah, that's it.